Chapter 5. First, I'd like to give credit to the authors of this book. This item is from Jam Remix. So guys, thanks for letting us make use of your materials. And also, if you like to get a hard copy, you could get it from bookshops. Now, gravitational field, mass and weight, and also satellite. Chapter 5. Number 1. Which of the following statements is true of the law of universal gravitation? Which of the following statements is true of the law of universal gravitation? Any two bodies attract each other with a force which is proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional. That's okay, here, I'm here. And inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them is option C. 1 is option C. 2. The force with which an object is attracted to the earth is called, this one is strict weight, option E, not centripetal force. Some students will be like, sir, isn't it centripetal force? No, it is weight. That's the definition of weight actually. Weight is the force at which the earth draws or attracts object to its center. That's how you define weight. Skip. These are skip. 8. The earth is not spherical but elliptical in shape. Variation in latitude and longitude. Rotation of the earth on its axis. Variation in the density of the earth. On which combination of the above does the weight of an object varies on the earth? That's question 15. Sorry, that's question 8. Let's see. So we're given options. I'll analyze this again a little bit of time. The factors given here. Okay. On which combination of the above does the weight of an object varies on the earth? Let's see the options. All of them. Option A. Number 8 is all of them. Option A. If you go back to read it, you'd see. 9. If the distance between two suspended, this has to do with a bit of calculation. 10. A satellite is in a pecking orbit. A satellite is in a pecking orbit if its period is equal to that of the period of the Earth. Option C. 11 calculation. 12 skip. 13 skip. 14 skip. 16 let's try. An object is weighted at different locations on the earth. What will be the right observation? The mass will remain constant, but the weight will vary. So the mass is constant, its weight varies. 16 is option C. Write for me. Difference between mass and weight. Number 1. Mass is the quantity of matter in a body. Number 2. Mass is universally constant, meaning it does not change in value or in magnitude. Number 3. It is not a force. Mass is not a force. Number 5. It is measured by the beam balance. Number 6. It is also measured in kilogram, which is its unit. On the other hand, right, weight is the Earth's gravitational pull on a body. Number 2, weight is a force. Number 3, weight is measured in newtons. Number 4, weight is measured by spring balance. And lastly, weight varies from one location on the earth to another. 17, a rocket is fired. So number 16 is option C. A rocket is fired from the earth's surface to a distant planet. By Newton's law of universal gravitation, the force F will increase as R will reduce. 17 is option A. 18, when a brick is taken from the earth's surface, the brick now is like mass, to a moon, its mass will remain constant. Nothing will change. 18 option A. Similar to 16. Check the note I gave you. Okay. These are calculations. 22. A satellite revolving around the earth is kept on its orbit by the both forces, centripetal and centrifugal force. 22 is option D. The both forces will keep the items to rotate around the earth. 23. The gravitational potential at a point in a gravitational field is the work done in taking a unit mass from Infinity to the point. A lot of students would always ask me, sir, what do they mean by infinity to a point? Or there's most times you might come across infinity to that point is the same thing. So number 23 is option B. Infinity to the point. 23 is option B. I might explain that one separately also. I was trying to be careful with time. And that's and one more question to wrap up this chapter 24. Here is it down. In the Earth's gravitational field, a body experiences no decrease in its deceleration when it moves freely upwards. When you throw something upwards, the body will not experience a decrease in its deceleration. So we've come to the end of this chapter 5. I gave a bit of note. I would like you to snap that note and send to me back on the WhatsApp group. If this is your first time coming across our channel, please do well to subscribe to the channel, and also you drop a like and you could share this video with a friend of yours. I would also want to inform you that we do run a smart class, a daily smart class on WhatsApp. If you would like to be part of the class, I'm going to leave the link to the class in the description box of this video. Thanks for watching. I'm Coach Yuin. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.